Think you need to drop 40 grand to get a reliable SUV that won't let you down? Not even close. The truth is, plenty of pricey luxury SUVs turn into money pits, draining wallets faster than gas tanks. But smart buyers know where to look. Hidden in the used market are SUVs that seniors love. Easy to drive, comfortable on long trips, and built to last without sky-high repair bills. Today we're breaking down 15 of the best picks, ranked by real-world reliability, ownership costs, and everyday comfort. And stick around. Our number one choice is so dependable, many owners drive it well past a decade with zero regrets. Number 15, GMC Terrain, 2016 to 2020. We're kicking things off with the GMC Terrain, a compact SUV that proves you don't need a luxury badge to feel upscale. For seniors, comfort and simplicity often matter more than fancy features, and that's exactly what the Terrain delivers. Inside, you'll find a quiet cabin with seating that supports your back on longer drives. Unlike many newer SUVs loaded with confusing touchscreens, the Terrain keeps things simple with actual buttons and knobs. That means less fumbling and more focus on the road. Fuel economy is another win here, between 28 and 32 miles per gallon, which adds up for retirees who drive regularly. Used pricing ranges from around $4,000 to $25,000, making it an option for almost every budget. Reliability is also worth noting. While the first generation had its quirks, the second generation, starting in 2018, improved significantly. J.D. Power scores it between 83 and 87 out of 100, while average repair costs sit at about $558 a year. Not bad for a stylish compact SUV. The Terrain shows that affordable doesn't have to mean bare bones. Number 14, Mazda CX-5, 2015 to 2020. Next up is a compact SUV that balances fun and practicality like few others. The Mazda CX-5. Many SUVs can feel like appliances, but the CX-5 actually makes driving enjoyable. That's a big deal for seniors who want confidence on the road without stress. RepairPal ranks it number 1 out of 26 compact SUVs, with excellent reliability and average annual repair costs of just $447. That's peace of mind that doesn't break the bank. Safety is another highlight. The 2015 CX-5 earned 5-star NHTSA ratings along with IIHS top safety pick honors. It's not just dependable, it's designed to protect. What really stands out though is the driving experience. The CX-5 offers sharp handling and superior visibility, which means less anxiety in traffic or tight parking lots. Seating is comfortable and controls are intuitive, no confusing tech that makes you feel like you're fighting the car. Fuel economy between 26 and 32 miles per gallon keeps operating costs low, and with used prices from about $5,000 to $17,000, it's one of the smartest buys in the segment. If you want a compact SUV that feels premium without the premium price, the CX-5 delivers. Number 13, Buick Envision, 2016 to 2020. Now let's shift to something with a bit more luxury. The Buick Envision. This compact SUV doesn't just look upscale, it feels it. From the moment you close the door, the cabin is whisper quiet, rivaling luxury vehicles that cost twice as much for seniors, which translates into a calmer, more relaxing driving experience. Reliability is another area where Envision shines. J.D. Power scores it between 85 and 88 out of 100, showing consistency across the years. Even more impressive, average annual repair costs are just $233. That makes it one of the most economical SUVs to own long term. Practicality is also baked in. The seating height is perfect for easy entry and exit, while the hands-free power liftgate eliminates the hassle of loading groceries or luggage. Interior materials feel premium without being fragile, and prices used between $7,000 and $23,000 make it surprisingly accessible. For mature drivers who want comfort, value, and long-term dependability without jumping into luxury brand territory, the Buick Envision is a standout pick. Number 12, Honda HR-V, 2016 to 2020. Sometimes smaller is smarter, and that's exactly the case with the Honda HR-V. This subcompact SUV proves that you don't need size to get versatility. For seniors who don't want to wrestle with a big vehicle, the HR-V is an absolute gem. Reliability here is off the charts. RepairPal gives it a perfect 5 out of 5 rating, ranking it number 1 in its class. Average annual repair costs? Just $301. That's not only affordable, like it's one of the lowest maintenance costs in the entire SUV market. But where the HR-V really shines is practicality. Honda's clever magic seat system lets you flip and fold the rear seats in multiple ways, creating cargo space that rivals larger SUVs. Need room for groceries one day and a tall piece of furniture the next? No problem. Add an excellent fuel economy at 28 to 30 miles per gallon, and this little SUV stretches every dollar. For seniors living in busy suburbs or cities, the HR-V's small footprint makes parking and maneuvering stress-free. Combine that with Honda's reputation for durability, and you've got a compact SUV that's not just easy to own, it's easy to love. Number 11, Chevrolet Traverse, 2015 to 2020. On the opposite end of the spectrum, we've got the Chevrolet Traverse, a midsize SUV that answers a different need. Some seniors don't just drive themselves. They want space for family, grandkids, or even road trips. The Traverse makes that possible without feeling overwhelmed behind the wheel. This 3-row SUV is surprisingly easy to get in and out of, which is a big plus for those who find climbing into high trucks or dropping into low cars uncomfortable. The third row isn't just for kids either. It's adult friendly, which is rare in this class. Perfect for when you're shuttling multiple grandchildren or friends. Reliability scores from JD Powerland between 85 and 88 out of 100, and both the 2015 and 2020 models earned 5-star NHTSA safety ratings. That's a real peace of mind when you've got passengers on board. Average annual repair costs hover around $656, reasonable for a vehicle this size. Used prices range from $3,000 to $31,000, giving buyers a wide variety of options. With its combination of comfort, space, and safety, the Traverse is a true family-friendly SUV that doesn't overwhelm senior drivers with unnecessary complexity. Number 10, Nissan Kicks, 2018 to 2022. Now let's swing back to something smaller and city-friendly, the Nissan Kicks. Don't let its size fool you. This subcompact SUV packs surprising comfort and excellent efficiency into a lightweight, easy-to-drive package. Fuel economy is one of its strongest suits, averaging 33 miles per gallon combined. For seniors on fixed incomes, that kind of savings at the pump really adds up. Inside, the Kicks keeps things simple. Controls are straightforward, seats are supportive, and visibility is excellent. No overcomplicated systems to distract or frustrate. JD Power reliability ratings sit between 81 and 85 out of 100, while the IIHS gave recent models strong crash test scores. Nissan Safety Shield 360 adds modern driver assist features like automatic emergency braking and blind spot warning, all without complicating the driving experience. With used prices ranging from about $7,000 to $22,000, the Kicks proves that affordability doesn't have to mean compromise. It's easy to maneuver, light on the budget, and surprisingly roomy for its size. A smart pick for seniors who want modern safety in a simple package. Number 9, Hyundai Santa Fe, 2015 to 2020. Rounding out this batch is the Hyundai Santa Fe, a midsize SUV that blends practicality with safety. For seniors, it hits the sweet spot. Large enough to carry family and cargo, but not so bulky that it becomes a hassle. Safety is where the Santa Fe really shines. The IIHS named it a top safety pick, while NHTSA gave it a 5-star rating. Standard features like forward collision warning and lane keeping assist come built in, providing extra confidence on the road. Reliability scores from JD Power range from 84 to 86 out of 100, while RepairPal gives it a solid 4 out of 5 rating. Annual repair costs average $515, below the segment average. That makes it a dependable choice for long-term ownership. Comfort is another highlight. The seats are supportive, the cabin is quiet, and there's generous cargo space. Whether it's a trip to the grocery store or a cross-country drive to see family, the Santa Fe handles it with ease. With used prices between $4,000 and $25,000, it's proof that safety and comfort don't have to come at luxury car costs. Number 8. Ford Escape, 2015 to 2020. The Ford Escape is a compact SUV that blends versatility with everyday simplicity. A big reason it's been a favorite among mature drivers. It's not about flashy styling or overcomplicated gadgets. It's about practicality and dependability in a package that just works. Reliability is solid, with RepairPal giving the Escape a 4.0 out of 5.0 rating. Average annual repair costs hover around $600, which is on par for for its class. The 2020 model earned a 5-star safety rating from NHTSA, and with available all-wheel drive, it's well suited for drivers who face changing road conditions throughout the year. What sets the Escape apart for seniors is its balance of comfort and convenience. The high seating position provides excellent visibility, while wide opening doors make it easy to get in and out. A hands-free power liftgate is available, eliminating the strain of loading groceries or luggage. Inside, the cabin is spacious enough for family trips, but still easy to maneuver in city traffic. Fuel economy is another perk. Depending on the trim, the Escape delivers between 25 and 42 miles per gallon, with the hybrid models offering real savings at the pump. With used prices ranging from $3,000 to $18,000, it's one of the most versatile and budget-friendly choices in the compact SUV market. Number 7. Kia Sorento 2015 to 2020. If you need a little more space than the Escape offers but don't want to break the bank, the Kia Sorento is a fantastic step up. This midsize SUV is known for offering big value without big costs. Reliability improved steadily through the years, with JD Power scores climbing from 82 in 2015 to 87 in 2019. RepairPal gives it a strong 4.0 out of 5.0 rating, with average annual repair costs of just $533, lower than many rivals in the same category. For seniors, the Sorrento's design is especially appealing. Its higher seating position offers great visibility, while wide doors make entry and exit a breeze. Available features like heated seats and a power liftgate add convenience without layering on complexity. The 2020 Sorento also scored 5 stars in NHTSA crash testing and was named an IIHS top safety pick, showing that affordability doesn't mean compromising safety. With used pricing between $3,000 and $23,000, the Sorento offers 3-row flexibility for those who occasionally need extra seating, while still being manageable in size. It's the kind of SUV that checks all the boxes without draining your wallet. Number 6. Chevrolet Equinox 2015 to 2020. The Chevrolet Equinox is a compact SUV that proves steady improvements make a big difference. In fact, the 2020 Equinox topped JD Power's vehicle dependability study for its segment, beating out plenty of higher-priced competitors. Reliability scores range from 84 to 88 out of 100, and the 2020 model earned 5 stars from NHTSA, along with solid results in IIHS crash tests. That's the kind of safety record seniors want when choosing a long-term vehicle. Inside, the Equinox is all about comfort and ease of use. Seats are roomy and supportive, visibility is excellent, and the cabin is quiet enough for stress-free road trips. Controls are straightforward, which means no fiddling with over-designed tech just to change the radio. Fuel economy comes in between 24 and 32 miles per gallon depending on the year and engine choice, so operating costs stay reasonable, with used prices stretching from $3,000 up to $31,000. There's a wide range to fit different budgets. For seniors who want a comfortable daily driver with strong dependability and affordable ownership costs, the Equinox checks every box. Number 5. Nissan Murano 2015 to 2020. The Nissan Murano has long been a favorite among seniors who want comfort first without giving up modern styling. Its swooping design might look sporty, but inside, it's all about relaxation. The Murano's zero-gravity seats, inspired by NASA, take pressure off your spine and hips, making long drives less tiring. Add in wide-opening doors and a low step in height, and it's no wonder older drivers appreciate the ease of getting in and out. On the road, the Murano's 3.5-liter V6 delivers smooth, quiet power, while the CVT keeps shifts seamless. It's not built for sporty driving, but that's the point. This SUV is tuned for calm, easy cruising. Safety also plays a big role here. Standard forward collision warning and blind spot monitoring keep drivers confident behind the wheel. Yes, cargo space isn't class-leading, and the infotainment system can feel a bit dated compared to rivals, but the Murano's real charm is its focus on stress-free driving. For seniors who value plush seating, a gentle ride, and effortless daily use, the Murano checks all the right boxes. Number 4. Hyundai Tucson 2015 to 2020. The Hyundai Tucson hits the sweet spot for seniors looking for a compact SUV that's easy to handle, yet still roomy enough for everyday needs. Hyundai designed this model with simplicity in mind. The cabin layout is straightforward, the controls are easy to reach, and the visibility is excellent thanks to its smart proportions. Seniors especially love the Tucson for its comfortable seats and just right driving position. The ride quality leans towards soft, absorbing bumps and potholes without jarring the passengers. Hyundai also packed it with standard features like a rear-view camera, touchscreen interface, and available driver aids such as lane keep assist blind spot detection. Features that bring peace of mind without adding complication. Under the hood, the Tucson isn't chasing thrills. Its 2.0 or 2.4-liter four-cylinder engines provide steady, reliable power with decent fuel economy, making it a budget-friendly daily driver. Plus, Hyundai's reputation for solid warranties, 10 years, 100,000 miles on the powertrain, offers reassurance to buyers who want to avoid expensive surprises. If you're after a no-nonsense SUV that blends practicality, safety, and value in one tidy package, the Tucson deserves a spot near the top. Number 3, Kia Sportage, 2015 to 2020. The Kia Sportage has quietly built a reputation as one of the most dependable compact SUVs, and seniors love it for its mix of comfort, practicality, and easy driving nature. Its slightly higher seating position provides excellent visibility, while the wide doors and low sill height make getting in and out much simpler. Inside, the Sportage offers supportive seats, intuitive controls, and a clean dashboard design that doesn't overwhelm with buttons. The suspension tuning is another win. It delivers a smoother, more composed ride than some of its rivals, especially on rough pavement. Add in Kia's strong safety ratings and optional features like blind spot monitoring and forward collision warning, and you have a compact SUV that inspires confidence on every trip. Performance-wise, the base 2.4-liter engine is perfectly fine for daily use, but seniors who want a bit more punch often lean toward the available turbocharged option. Both setups are paired with a 6-speed automatic that keeps the drive simple and stress-free. Factor in Kia's famous long-term warranty and low running costs, and the Sportage stands out as a smart, senior-friendly choice that balances comfort and dependability with everyday affordability. Number 2, Buick Encore, 2015 to 2020. Small but mighty, the Buick Encore has become one of the most popular choices among older drivers. Why? It blends the premium feel of a luxury badge with the practicality of a subcompact SUV. Seniors love that it's easy to park, easy to drive, and doesn't overwhelm with complicated controls. The Encore's cabin is a highlight. Supportive seats, quiet ride, and an upscale feel that rivals pricier competitors. Buick added extra sound insulation, making highway drives impressively calm. The tall driving position also improves visibility, while its smaller footprint makes maneuvering through crowded parking lots less stressful. Power comes from a turbocharged 4-cylinder, delivering just enough performance for city and highway cruising without burning too much fuel. Safety tech like rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning give seniors added confidence on the road. Sure, the cargo space isn't huge, but for couples or solo drivers, it's plenty. And when you factor in Buick's reputation for comfort-first engineering, the Encore shines as a near-perfect fit for retirees who want luxury without the luxury price tag. Number 1, Subaru Crosstrek, 2015 to 2020. Topping the list is the Subaru Crosstrek, an SUV that hits nearly every checkbox seniors care about: comfort, safety, reliability, and ease of use. Unlike many crossovers, the Crosstrek sits at a perfect height, not too low, not too tall, making entry and exit simple for drivers of all ages. The interior is straightforward and functional, with comfortable seats and excellent outward visibility. The ride is calm and composed, soaking up bumps while staying stable on the highway. Subaru's standard all-wheel drive adds another layer of confidence, especially for seniors living in areas with snowy winters or rainy seasons. But what really puts the Crosstrek on top is safety. With Subaru's EyeSight suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and pre-collision braking, this SUV consistently earns top marks from the IIHS and NHTSA. Seniors get peace of mind knowing their vehicle is actively helping to prevent accidents. Add to that Subaru's reputation for durability and strong resale value, and the Crosstrek isn't just a smart choice. It's the one SUV seniors can buy and truly enjoy without hesitation. And there you have it. 15 SUVs that seniors can buy without hesitation. From compact crossovers with easy handling to larger family haulers with comfort and safety in mind, these models prove you don't have to compromise between practicality and peace of mind. If you found this list helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our future car buying guides. Got an SUV on this list that you own, or one you think should have made the cut? Drop it in the comments below, we'd love to hear your experience. And don't go anywhere. Up next, we're covering the 12 SUVs that lost the most value in 2025. If you're thinking about resale, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.